This is my little brother, and he's never been camping before, but today he's convinced that he can handle everything on his own. Here's the deal, he will pick the food and build the shelter. If he fails, we will both go hungry and sleep under the stars. Alright, for gear we're gonna be taking a tarp and rope. We're bringing our cooking items, we have some mugs for our coffee, fork, spoon. We're bringing sleeping bags. We're also bringing mats. And finally our camping knives. Now let's send my brother with the GoPro to the supermarket and see what he picks out.
These nuts. I may be taking like hot dogs. Chili with meat.
Now let's get to the actual hike. Our starting point was El Parador de Tejeda, and we hiked up to about here. Up to this point, the hike was pretty easy. But then it turned hard when we started hiking through forest and untrekked land. We've been walking in this heat for a while now, and this dude just realized that he had the jacket on. This is incredible. We found this spooky looking area in the woods, and we're definitely camping here. Look at this. Alright, so while we search for a camping spot, before we start we're gonna eat because we're tired, and I'm gonna make some coffee to get some energy. So we just found this spot. The floor is pretty flat and we have these views. So now it's time for my little brother to start trying to make the camp on his own, and let's see how he does. So this is our current cottage that we're making.
Porque tú ya tienes acolchado ahí de...
Right about long enough. Alright, so this is what our setup is looking like. My brother cut his hand.
It's strange, I don't even feel it, it's like rare.
So we're gonna go take the water and refill it at the spring, so yeah. Alright, we're back at the spring again, and now we're gonna get to refilling that water. Right, so we're back from getting water, and
Shit.
yeah, so we're going to have to sleep with no shelter, so let's hope it doesn't rain. This has gone pretty wrong, but let's see how this turns out. So at this point we were so tired that we didn't really want to rebuild again, so we settled with sleeping under the stars. Alright, so this is the setup we're left with, and this is how we're gonna have to spend the night. So let's just get cooking.
He's happy with that.
I need to get my stomach full. So yeah, let's dig in or something. The only disadvantage of eating these is how messy it gets.
Example?
Alright guys, so we're already in our sacks, in our sleeping bags, and we're about to go to bed. Look at them views. with absolutely beautiful views. So let's see how we spend the night. Alright guys, it's been a super bright night, so we didn't really get a lot of sleep. And it's about 5 a.m. right now, so I'm going to get to cooking while my brother rests a bit more. Alright, so we actually had eggs, but I'm only cooking sausages because the eggs broke on us. So we only get sausages and a bit of fouet. So it is what it is, things that happen. Guys, I tried to pour in the coffee as good as I could while recording, but it's so hard because of the wind. You know what? Even though it is not sweet, it's just bitter. It's so nice and warm. Alright, so we're already packed up. This is how we left the place. No trash, because we're not dirty like that. So now, we're going to leave and try to catch the bus. It goes at 9, so we have about 2 hours to walk. It seems like a lot, but it goes by pretty quick. So yeah, let's get going. Y los precios. Alright guys, we just got to the bus stop. Thank you so much for coming on this adventure with us. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss our next adventures. And we'll see you guys later. Goodbye.
Goodbye.